Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix talkback on Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to fix talkback on your Oppo phone and guys on your any Android phone. So how to fix talkback? Today friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. Friends, you are not operating your Oppo mobile, so how to fix this problem? Friends, you can see I cannot unlock my Oppo phone. So how to unlock phone? First of all friends, use your two finger and guys swipe here and you can unlock your Oppo mobile. So friends, one finger you cannot use your Oppo mobile, so use your two finger and friends now you can swipe here. So friends, click on phone setting icon. So where is your phone setting icon? Friends, click. So guys, my phone setting icon is here. I will click. Friends, two tap on your phone setting icon and friends click on any setting guys. I will click on guys connection setting. Scroll it. Again use friends your two finger to fix talkback. Friends, click on additional setting. One tap. Friends, continue to tap on additional setting. And friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone device. Friends, click on accessibility setting and double tap on accessibility. Friends, click on talkback setting and friends double tap on talkback. So friends, double tap again here. Friends, click on stop button and friends double tap on stop button. Then guys, your talkback problem will fix. And friends, now you can use friends your Oppo phone with one finger without any talkback problem. So like that friends, we can fix and we can solve talkback problem. And friends, we want to solve talkback problem with shortcut settings of how to solve. Let's see. First okay, we will enable talkback again and guys now we will close this app. So friends, swipe here and friends, what will you have to do to solve this talkback problem? Friends, click on phone setting and friends again continue to tap and friends don't scroll it. Click on search option and friends double tap. Friends, click on keyboard T A L K B. Friends, you can see talkback. One tap on friends talkback setting and friends continue to tap. Friends, click on talkback, double tap, one tap, double tap. Guys, problem will solve. So like that friends, you can solve your talkback problem on your Oppo phone device from your phone setting one by one, step by step. And guys, second guys, you can solve your with shortcut setting. So like that friends, we can fix and we can solve talkback problem. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt? So you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye friends.